In this question, we are considering the sale associated with two shirts. The cost prices of two shirts are given to be equal. Okay, so let us consider the cost price of one shirt, that is equal to rupees 100. The cost price of the other shirt, that also will be equal to rupees 100, because it's given that the cost prices of two shirts are said to be equal. Okay. Now one shirt, it is sold for 20% profit. So what is the multiplication factor associated with 20% profit? That is 1.2. So cost price into 1.2 will give you the selling price. So what is the selling price of the first shirt? That is equal to 100 into 1.2. That is equal to 120 rupees. Now, the other shirt, it is sold for 10% loss. What is the multiplication factor associated with 10% loss? That is 0.9. 10% loss means this seller, he could retrieve only 90% of the cost price. Okay, here the cost price, it is 100. So what is 90% of 100? That is 90. So the selling price of the other shirt, that is equal to 90, rupees 90. Okay. Now, what is the overall cost price here? That is rupees 100 plus rupees 100. We can see that the overall cost, that is equal to rupees 200. Now, what is the overall sales? That is the overall selling price. That is 120 plus 90, and that is equal to rupees 210. So we can see that overall in this transaction, there is a profit. And what is the profit amount? That is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 210 minus 200. That is equal to rupees 10. So that is the overall profit in this transaction. You are asked to find the overall profit percentage. How to calculate that? That corresponds to profit upon cost price. The overall cost, we know it is 200 into 100. So we can see that here the two zeros can be cancelled like this. 2, it goes in 10 5 times. So we can see that the overall profit percentage, it corresponds to 5. So option C, 5%, that will be the final answer for this question.